Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Mazda CX7, we'll show you where your engine computer, the ECU, is located and how to replace it. Now we are doing an engine replacement here, so we'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys. Please subscribe. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So let me explain here now what's happening. Okay, so you can see guys, the engine is out of the car. But you don't need to worry about that part. While we were removing the battery here and all that stuff, we got to the engine computer and we decided to shoot a video how to disconnect it and where it's located. So looking at the car, okay, this fender, okay, right here, right behind the battery guys is where your ECU is located. That's your engine computer. So what will guys need to do? First we'll need to go ahead and disconnect, okay, we need to disconnect the wires, okay, and I'll explain what needs to be done to do that. Okay, let me disconnect each one of them first. Okay, so in order to disconnect the wires, okay, that thing is closed like that. Okay, you can see that tooth right here. Okay, this tooth, press it down and then pull out. That's what we do to the bottom one as well. Okay, and this one, the bottom one tends to get stuck a little bit more than the top one, but got it out the same way. You can see that thing needs to be pressed down, okay, right here, and this thing open. Now we need a 10mm socket guys. Okay, let's get the camera more in, because otherwise we get a little bit of sunshine here. Okay, right here on top we have one nut. Okay, very uncomfortable location. Whoever installed that thing there. And it looks like this computer has been removed in the past because, okay, the nuts are actually rounded a little bit on top. So we'll get a 10mm offset box wrench. Okay, it's way easier to reach with that thing. Okay, yeah, that thing is like unbelievably tight. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. Okay, the one on the back, I got it loose, so... Okay, let's see if they'll go by hand. Yep, once you usually start them, unless you have too much rust. And as you know guys, if you have a Mazda, they're known to rust really bad. I don't know why, but I've noticed that it's not like other vehicles, they tend to rust a little bit more. Okay, this nut is out. One more nut now on the back. Okay. Perfect. Now we have two more on the bottom. Okay, once I remove it guys, all that will be available and I'll be able to show you where things are located, because it's such a limited room in this car. Okay, even though it's an SUV, it's extremely hard to reach most of the parts on it. The way the front end is designed. So let me get those loose. Okay, this one is loose and we'll continue. Okay, removing them now. Once you guys, as I said, once you get them loose, okay, I'll try to get them with two hands. Okay, I dropped one, but it's right here. They go pretty easy. Okay, and it's 4 bolts, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Okay guys, and this is your engine computer out of the Mazda. Now, the computer is facing this way and you can see the bolts are one here, and 2 over there. So, that's how you guys remove that thing. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.